Gosh, I Fil. Elephant's ear. A dessert from Afghanistan. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Beat eggs, then add and beat together salt, sugar, oil and milk. Add sifted flour to beaten mixture, turn out on lightly floured board and knead for 10 minutes until smooth. Add a little water if necessary. Step 2. Roll out small sections of dough to paper-thin circles or squares. For ears, pleat in one side of a circular piece; for bows, pleat in the center of a rectangular piece. You can make these up to a foot in diameter, whatever your pan will accommodate. Heat fat in a large shallow pan, and fry ears a few at a time until lightly brown, turning once. Remove from fat and drain. Pour dribbles of syrup over pastry and dust at once with generous amounts of powdered sugar, cardamom and pistachio. Travel.